This review is of Ghirardelli Premium Baking Non-Dairy Dark Chocolate Chips. They are 52% cacao, plant-based, non-dairy, dairy. So that is parve, yeah. From bean to chip. Still don't know what they think that means. Everything is from bean to chip when it comes to chocolate. It's just, what do they mean by that? And apparently they do the same kind of stuff as Lindt does with their chocolate. I wonder if maybe this is made by Lindt for them. Yeah, it says it's manufactured by Ghirardelli. Melting instructions right there. And Ghirardelli non-dairy dark chocolate chips. So 33 chips are 15 grams. Has 4.5 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated. No trans fats, no cholesterol, no sodium. Yay. And no dairy. Yay. 9 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber. 7 are sugars that are added, and less than a gram of protein. And here are the ingredients. All right, well, let's go ahead and give it a try. At least the chocolate hasn't been ruined. All right, so they're kind of, well, I would say average size, or maybe even a little bit large. You know, it's a shame it's got sugar in it instead of a sugar substitute like sugar alcohol or sucralose or something. I can only have a little. It's actually fairly pleasant. Yeah, I rather like this. Even though I know part of the flavor is from the vanilla. Still, it's an enjoyable flavor. I kind of miss the coldness that you get from some of the sugar substitutes. But yeah, I could easily eat the whole thing. I have to restrain myself. And it is manageably sweet, not too sweet. So that's good. Given that there are only 7 grams of sugar in 15 grams of sugar has 7 grams of sugar, so that's actually a lot. Yeah, it's almost half. So, yeah, not good for your health. Just good in your mouth. And there are polyphenols because they didn't use alkali to Dutch it. Yeah, I'll give it an 8. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.